Hello students, today I am going to discuss chapter 7, laws of returns. Okay, laws of returns, returns to a factor and returns to a scale. This is day 1. In on today I will discuss what is production. Okay, what is production? I am going to discuss. What do you mean by production? Clear? Try to understand the concept of production. Okay, this is day 1 video. I am going to discuss what is production. Clear? The act of making goods and services and thereby adding utility to the object is called production in economics. Okay. So, which type of act? Try to understand. It means what? Try to understand. Production is used for an activity. In other ways, I am giving you in simple ways definition. The production is used for an activity of making something material, of making something material. If you are making anything, okay, producing anything, then this is production. Production is used for an activity. Which type of activity? This is a process for making something material. Okay, try to understand. In other ways, suppose relation. This is the relation with input and output. This is the relation of input and output. It means what? If we are producing input, मतलब किसी भी चीज़ में हम जितना input लगाएंगे, okay, we will get output. We will get output. Clear? Suppose you are writing something through the keyboard in your computer, then this is input by the keyboard, and after writing you are giving printout, then it is output. So, line level is capital is input, and after giving input line level capital you are producing something, then this is output. Clear? If your input will decrease, okay, then output will also decrease. It means what? It means land, labor and capital. This is your input. Clear? USA, its production is too high. Its production is too high because USA production is too high. So, it is very rich country. It is very rich country. Okay. India production is too low. Then it is very poor country. Clear? It means what? जिस country का production जो है जितना ज़्यादा होगा, वो country उतना ज़्यादा rich होगा. जिस country का production जो है low होगा, वो country उतना poor होगा. Clear? So, in this video I have discussed what is production, concept of production. Okay, concept of production I have discussed in this video. जो है which type of topic I have discussed? Concept of production I have discussed. Next video I will discuss production function. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel, and don't forget to like it.